Course Airspace Thiruvananthapuram Limited versus ACIT. Section 4. Charge of income tax. Real income. Mere receipt is not sufficient. Subsidiary of a government company. Money belongs to central government, not assessable as income. Section 2, class 24. In appeal, the court held that since the government departments were not under the obligation to pay income tax merely because the funds were in the hand of the assessee and earned interest, the interest income could not be taxed in the assessee's hand. The interest income of the assessment year 910 was not computable income of the assessee. Oh my god, you see, government has given some fund to them. They have that fund in the account of that they received interest income. So it could not be taxed because the interest income of the assessment is not computable income. Very but they have given a judgment because it's not a real income. Mere receipt is not sufficient. Subsidy of a government. Not assessable as a income. So what happens is the appeal court has the government department is not obligation to pay income tax. Merely the fund were in the hands of assessee. Okay, they earn the interest. Earning interest now what? It should charge to interest income, income also, but they didn't do. Interest income could not be taxed in the assessee's hand. The interest income from the assessment year 910, 19 assessment year 910 was not computable income of the assessee. Brahmos Aerospace Thiruvananthapuram. The government company, there is no interest income. What a funny section. Who gave this judgment? Very good. Okay, nothing to do. Government income, they have received a fund, they're having the fund that is not used. We received interest income, is not suitable. Oh, yeah. Okay. So government should also have some free allowance because they are having it for a some purpose. They should have some provision. We should see. You'll will see in things futurely. I will see.